Huh? Where am I?
Well, someone's finally awake. I captured you while you weren't looking.
Wait, what?
This is going to be so much fun. I hope you enjoy my little game I've put together. Climb your way up, or be crushed.
Who is this? This don't even look bad. Oh dear. Oh god. Hey everyone, the name's Uzi Dorman. I just woke up in a truck and I just got kidnapped for some reason. I don't know what this place is. Is this like a, oh shoot. It's like a meat grinder, metal grinder, whatever this place is. But oh god. But yeah, I'm stuck here. I gotta back up. I don't know how in the world I got here. So leave a like and subscribe for this if I can make this up there on the first try. Put a comment down below of how many times I got death, so put how many hearts, purple hearts it was. So yes, let's continue this. Alright, oh Jesus. Oh, let's keep going. Oh god, barrel, a table, oh god. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, I do not want to hit by that thing. Oh no. Oh god. Oh, a table. Oh god, oh. Ah! Oh god. Ah! Whoever male voice was that was a new character, I guess. I really don't. Oh god. Oh dear. Oh. Ah! Oh, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Oh god. Table hit me, but it didn't launch me. What the heck? Oh dear, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I do not want to get hit by any of this stuff. Oh dear gosh. Oh my god. I made it. I made it, everyone. Oh my god. Right. I did it. Open the door.
What? You really thought I was gonna let you out? For you to rat me out? Not a chance. In fact, it's much better if you die here. And then you'll just be one toss away from being dust. Still, good job on making it here alive. Not many people have managed to do that.
Close the doors. Oh god. That was weird that when I walk through the door, it clears me out of the map and brings me back to the truck. So yeah. I hope you all enjoy the video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Love you guys. Bite me!
I won't fall down, you make me